So I was watching a video by JoMichelle and I decided this head of locks needed a detox. So first you apply the baking soda and then the apple cider vinegar.
That's so cool.
I know. Here. Wow. I can't wait for you to see it.
That's not a good thing.
It's a good thing.
I immediately noticed a color change. She has had her locks retwisted with someone who does use products, but we're going to get this gunk out of here. Clean locks. Although this is not my head of hair, it felt and looked clean. I can tell you that. Now, in her words, she said her hair felt very light and smooth, and she loved the results. Thank you for watching this video.